All right, ladies and gentlemen, got a new thing in here. Got a new thing. It's not a box opening, but a bag opening. But now it's a box opening. There's a box inside of a box and a bag inside of a box. This is like taped up like crazy. I got this thing on sale. I got like 30% off. It was crazy. I'm gonna leave it a mystery on the title so no one knows what it is. My family's coming home, so I gotta get this done fast. Because when my kids get home, they want everything now. So anyway, boop is a Donner mini pedal in a box. Now it's a box opening. What is it? It's got a cover over the thing with a cable. It's got a USB cable, which I read about, so I'm not that surprised. The dogs are gonna go nuts. Kids are gonna go nuts. There it is. All right, short box opening video because the dogs are gonna go nuts, the kids are gonna go nuts, everybody's gonna go nuts. But I'll do a demo of this when the family's not going nuts. But anyway, like initially, I mean, it's metal, clicks, spins, all that. So, co-beans, from what I understand, you can actually, this is a looper, you can actually plug it into your computer and download your loops. So you can use them for your recordings. So, cool deal. All right. Take care. God bless. Bye.